Okay, we are going to do a quick lesson on dividing integers. So when we divide integers, we use the same rules as when we multiply integers. The quotient of two integers with the same sign is positive. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, or negative 8 divided by negative 2 equals 4. And the other rule is the quotient of two integers with different signs is negative. 8 divided by negative 2 equals negative 4, or negative 8 divided by 2 equals negative 4. So here are some other examples. Negative 18 divided by negative 6, the integers have the same sign, so the quotient is positive 3. 75 divided by negative 25, the signs are different, so the quotient is negative 3. Negative 54 over 6, or negative 54 divided by 6, the signs are different, so the quotient is negative 9. Okay, pause the video and try numbers 1 through 6 at the bottom of page 30. These should be pretty easy because you should be able to do them in your head. Now let's check your answers. One is 7, 2 is 8, and 3 is 5. Number 4 is 0. Number 5 is negative 7. And number 6 is negative 7. Okay, at the top of page 31, they want you to evaluate the expression 10 minus x to the second power divided by y when x equals 8 and y equals negative 4. So you're going to plug in the amounts. So now you have 10 minus 8 to the second power divided by negative 4. Please remember to use Pemdas. So the first thing we have to do, there's no parentheses, so we do the exponent. 8 times 8 equals 64. So on the second line of the purple, you have 10 minus 64 divided by negative 4. Then we don't have multiplication, so we do division. 64 divided by negative 4 is a negative 16. So then it's 10 minus a negative 16. When you have two negative signs, remember, we change them to positive, or you add the opposite sign of negative 16, which is 16. 10 plus 16 equals 26. Dividing integers. Okay, I want you to pause the video and try numbers 7 through 9 on page 31. Plug in the values for A and B. Now let's check your answers. 7 should be 3, 8 would be negative 4, and 9 would be 2. If anyone has gotten the answer incorrect, I want you to check with each other and see if you can figure out why. If there's still a problem, I want you to check with an adult. So pause the video right here until you figure it out. If you got them right, just continue. Okay, now we're going to pause this video again, and I want you to read the example in your book about the height of the tide and the explanation that goes with it. And there's a picture of like a pier, and it shows the height in inches at certain times of the day of the water. Okay, did that make sense? Remember, the tide is going down, so you subtract the initial height from the final height. They have the formula there in right underneath the picture. Now I want you to try number 10 on the bottom of page 31. Pause the video and then check your answer. Your answer should be negative 6 feet per hour. Okay, so your assignment is page 32, numbers 1 through 31. If you don't finish this in class, the rest is for homework. Good luck!